Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, hit that bell so you can see all my videos. I put a video every day, once a day, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times. So today we're going to talk about the Gigafactory in China. It's being built in Shanghai. It's been mentioned by Elon Musk several times. And I saw a tweet by a guy named Vincent from today about the Shanghai Gigafactory GF3, and it's working in what he calls a Chinese speed, which is really true. And also there's a video from a local Chinese television. So I'm going to show you some footage. I want to give credit to everybody. So basically, here's some basic information. Obviously, it's in Shanghai. It is owned by Tesla. Usually, when you do a business in China, you usually want to have a Chinese partner, but this is going to be solely owned by Tesla, which also can contribute to making sure that intellectual property stays within the factory. It's going to be in the size of the Fremont factory in California, where they make Teslas, and the Gigafactory in Nevada combined. It is huge. It is like a small city. The production of Tesla Model 3 base and Tesla Model Y base for the Chinese market will take place there. This is a highly competitive market. As you know, half of the world's EVs were produced in China. China has several EV car manufacturers. The Chinese government gives tremendous incentives, and as a matter of fact, all taxis and buses in China, the new ones, are now electric. So it is a huge market for EVs and for Tesla. And by the way, the Chinese wealthy people would love to buy luxury cars, and the market last year was 2 million cars. So the sky is the limit. However, Tesla will produce the basic Model 3 and the basic Model Y when it comes out. Let's say $35,000 to $45,000 a car. Tesla is investing around $500 million in this massive conglomerate factory, and they also took a loan of $2 billion from a Chinese bank. So it is really an incredible thing. The Chinese market, they honed the manufacturing of electric car to almost a perfection, because they make so many of them, like I said, half. So the supply chain is absolutely in order. You don't have to extract from so many places. So basically, making an electric car in China, especially for a Tesla factory, is a fantastic idea. So as they said, they're going to finish it at the end of the year. Probably not, but that doesn't mean that production is not going to be at the end of the year. You don't have to finish the entire structure to start production. So, they said they started in January 2019, but Chinese bureaucracy is so much lax as opposed to the United States, good or bad, whatever your opinion is, but things go really quickly. So they say by the end of the summer, they should finish construction and start producing. Let's see what else. Like I said, total investment is about $2 billion, and the main purpose is Model 3s and Model Ys. And now here's a great information. Battery pack would be assembled using lithium-ion cells from various suppliers, including Panasonic. That's great. And expected production is 500,000 Tesla Model 3s and Ys a year. So the Chinese market for Tesla is like bonanza. If they can get this through, it will be absolutely an amazing, awesome idea. So that's that, guys. I will continue updating you every now and then about the Gigafactory construction in China and what they are doing and where they are. Meanwhile, if you have any new information, any tweets, anything, any pictures that you saw, please share. It's always awesome to have a discussion. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. See you tomorrow with another video.